How do you reset the JLab Go Air Sport earbuds? Well, got a lot of comments about this. So basically what you need to do is take them out of the box like this. So now, see how this is glowing here? This is red because it's the case. That's the case. But here, see how this is glowing? A steady beat. That means that the earbud is recharging because I took it out of the case and put it back in, right? So while that's happening, take your finger and tap this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. See how it did that? See how it rapidly pulsed? Now that earbud is reset. Now let's do the same thing with the other one. See how it's kind of like glowing there? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and your earbuds are reset. And that should solve any of the problems, most of the problems that you're having with your JLab earbuds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have more videos about these earbuds on my channel, and I appreciate the 14,000 subscribers out there. Have a great day. Take care. Ask me any questions in the comments.